What are the grounds for acquittal in a check bounce case? Let's have a look at various grounds of acquittal in cases of Section 138 of Negotiable Instruments Act. First, absence of proof. The first thing a person needs before initiating legal action is the check returned unpaid by the bank and the memo accompanying the same. While this is the base for a complaint under Section 138 of NI Act, confirmation regarding duly served legal notice is also important and serves the essence for a legal recourse. If any of the following is missing and the accused person takes defense of the same while challenging the criminal complaint by the complainant, there are chances of the court accepting such deficiency as a ground for acquittal in 138 NI Act case. No legal debt. The foremost aspect which a complainant needs to prove before the court for dishonor of check is the existence of a legal debt or liability. As per Section 138 of NI Act, if it is not a debt or legally enforceable liability, there is no relief under the provision. For example, if someone hands you a check in terms of a gift for you on your wedding, and it is dishonored when it was presented for the bank, there is no legal remedy under Section 138 of NI Act. We have also made another video in this regard. Go check it. Other reasons of check bounce case. The difference between check bounce and dishonor is the specific requirements under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act. If a check is returned due to insufficient funds or stop payment instructions to the bank, then only the provisions of NI Act for criminal liability shall be applicable. If it is an erroneous signature or name or amount in words or numbers, one may invoke civil law remedies but for recovery of money. That's it. Even if a complaint under Section 138 is succeeded, it will end up with an acquittal. Defect in legal notice. The requirements of Section 138 NI Act specify the format of check bounce notice and the timeline to be followed in sending such legal notice. The purpose of a check bounce legal notice is to intimate the drawer of check regarding dishonor and to demand the amount indebted and mentioned in the check so dishonored within a specified period. One of the common grounds for acquittal in 138 NI Act case is a defective legal notice of check bounce. That is why litigants are often told to be careful while sending a legal notice for check bounce, regardless of whether it is drafted by a lawyer or not. The ingredients should be fulfilled. That's the mere requirement. Disputed amount. If there is a discrepancy in the amount mentioned in the dishonored check and the wholesome amount demanded while suing the person under Section 138 of Negotiable Instruments Act, the court may look for justification. If the complainant is not able to satisfy this discrepancy, it may lead to acquittal in check bounce case. Date of presentation. The time limit in check bounce case holds utmost importance. The provision under NI Act Section 138 specifies that check should be presented within 6 months of the date when it is drawn or within its validity, which is usually 3 months from the date mentioned. Hence, if the check was presented after the validity expired or after 6 months when the same was issued, the court may take it as one of the grounds for acquittal in 138 case. If the drawer proves payment. The purpose of criminal provision for check bounce is to ensure financial security for the person receiving monetary transactions through checks. Courts have time and again reiterated that the ultimate idea of criminal color of the provision is to safeguard financial interests and not to punish the drawer of check. While compromise in check bounce cases is an option totally dependent upon the wish of the complainant after proceedings have been initiated, there can be another scenario when the drawer has already completed his or her liability and still got implicated in a check bounce case. In such a case, when the complainant after dishonor of check paid the debt but missed out on destroying the records of check bounce, the court will surely accept the same as a ground of acquittal in check bounce case. If you found the information useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Logical Shorts YouTube channel for more insightful videos.